Hello all, welcome to part 69 of Python tutorial. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate using bool function in Python for evaluating the values, that is given values as either true or false. Okay, you can pass some value to this bool function, guys. The bool function will evaluate that passed value and it will return true or false based on the evaluation. Okay. Now let me practically demonstrate this bool function for you. For that, I'll open this PyCharm IDE where we have the sample Python file. In this Python file, I'll create a bool function, and to this bool function, I'll pass some value. Let's say 0. Okay, when I pass 0, the bool function will return false. Okay, in case of 0, the bool function will return false. If I pass any other value other than 0, let's say if I pass the value 9 to this bool function, in case of 0, it is returning false. If you pass any other number other than 0, it will return true. Okay, it will return true. Now, if I pass an empty string, okay, a string which this is a string, right? It's an empty string because there is no text inside this double quotes, empty string. In case of this, bool function will return false. What if I pass a normal string? Okay, it's non-empty string. Okay, if I pass a non-empty string, say I'll pass my name, which is a non-empty string. In this case, the bool function will return true. Now, similarly, guys, if I pass into this bool function, okay, if I pass into this bool function a list, okay, a list. So an empty list. This is an empty list, right? You see, I have not provided any values here. This square brackets means empty list. If I pass this empty list into this bool function, it will return false. If I pass a non-empty list, okay, a non-empty list inside this bool function, I am passing a non-empty list containing some values, 9 comma 1 comma 5 comma 7, some random values. This will return true, guys. Similar thing will happen when you pass any empty collection, guys. It may be list or okay, tuple or set or dictionary, whatever it is. If you pass it as empty, it will return false. If you pass with values, it will return true. Okay, let me copy paste and create for other stuff also, other collection data types also. Here I'm passing an empty tuple. Okay, this is an empty tuple, guys. In case of empty tuple, okay, in case of empty tuple, you will get false. In case of non-empty tuple, okay, this is a non-empty tuple I am passing into the bool, right? In this case, you will get true. Similarly, in case of empty set, this is a set, right? In case of empty set, you will get false. In case of curly braces, I have to provide. One minute. Inside this bool function, if I pass a non-empty set, in that case, you will get true. Okay, this applies for dictionary also, guys. Okay, this applies to dictionary if you have key value pairs. If I say print bool of, if I pass the key value pair, let's say name colon Arun comma experience colon 12, like this. If I pass key value pairs, in this case you will get, since it is not empty, this particular dictionary is not empty, so the bool function will return true here. Okay, fine, guys. So this is what happens, guys, and there are a few more examples, guys. There are a few more examples. If I pass none, okay, inside this bool function, if I pass none, then also you'll get false. Okay, and into this bool function, if I pass false, directly false, then you'll get false only. Into this bool function, if I pass true, you will get true, guys. Okay, these are the several examples, guys, that I have demonstrated. I think I'm done with all the examples. If you pass 0, then false. Other than 0, if you pass any number, true. Okay, if you pass an empty string, false. If you pass some non-empty string, true. If you pass empty collection data types like list, tuple, set or dictionary, okay, empty things, then you'll get false. If you pass non-empty, okay, non-empty list or non-empty tuple, non-empty set or non-empty dictionary, you'll get true. Okay, if you pass none, you will get false. If you pass false itself, you will get false. If you pass true, you'll get true. Okay, run this code, guys, and let's see whether we got the proper output or not. So starting with the first one, false, true, false, true. Okay, false, true, done. Then false, true, false, true, false, true. Again 6 times. False, true, false, true, false, true. Till here it is over. Then okay, 4, 6. Till here it is over. Last 4 items are there: true, false, false, true. Let's see: true, false, false, and true. Okay. So guys, this is all about the bool. Okay, this is all about the bool in Python, which evaluates the values. Given values, passed values to this bool function will be evaluated by the bool function, and it will return either true or false based on the passed values. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.